And we begin with a look at our valley sky cam as we look to the northwest. We do have some clouds out there, but they're of the high variety, and temperatures still 0 or above for many locations. And we are going to be able to see some of this cold weather sail again to bye-byeville, because it's on its way out as we head into the next couple of days. Right now, holding on to 0, and we'll take it. 13 below is what it feels like, thanks to the winds blowing at 7 miles per hour. It's from that southerly direction. Well, we do have temperatures hovering either side of 0 right now. Some of the coldest weather up in Langdon and in Boston. We have 3 above, though, in Bemidji. Temperatures out in the trees of Minnesota a little warmer. Those trees tend to absorb more of the sun's radiation, and that, well, the pine tree effect takes hold as it radiates some of that energy out into the atmosphere, keeps things a little warmer there. Wind chills between 10 and 25 below across the region, and the wind chills are strongest where the wind is the strongest out to the west from the southeast. Here's that 0-degree line, and it's cool here in the central and northern plains. But look at the cold air, freezing temperatures down to the south, where we have Dallas at 19 degrees. Tulsa is at 13. So freezing air here all the way down to Houston, where it's 30. And a look at the radar shows round 2 of snowy weather this week, making its way through Texas, from Frisco up to Oklahoma City, Norman, all the way out to the Panhandle, and down to the south where you see the pinks here. We have ice mixture making its way through for another winter storm warning for much of the nation's south, including Oklahoma, Texas, and all the way up through parts of northern Louisiana, into Mississippi and Arkansas. Now for us, your forecast this evening shows winds tapering off a bit, but they will be sustained at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Air temperatures by 10 o'clock for many of us will be near 10 below, a little bit cooler in central Minnesota. Now, this morning we woke up with 35 to 36 degrees below 0 here in central Minnesota. We'll have a few of you in the 20s below, but gone will be the 30s below, and many of us start out with temperatures around 10 below and wind chills between 20 and 35 below. That seems easy after what we've been through as we go through the midday hours. By your lunch hour, Mike, you may want to get ready to go out for a picnic and throw the blanket out on the, well, there won't be any grass, but you can throw it out on the snowbank and have yourself a picnic. 2 degrees above with a flurry possible. Spotty flurries here and there. Temperatures in the single digits above 0, maybe 10 degrees down near the South Dakota border. We cool off tomorrow, and again, hit and miss flurries, pretty insignificant as far as amounts go. So in Fargo, we start out near 10 below, temperatures ramp up, and we spend all of our afternoon above 0. We'll hit those mid-single digits above. Then the clouds build in, and again, we can't rule out an isolated flurry. A snapshot of your hometown in the 3 o'clock hour. Langdon 5 above, Valley City 4. Devils Lake, you hit 0 today. Tomorrow 4. Grand Forks, we're expecting mid-single digits as well into Lakes Country. Beautiful shot here from the Fergus Falls area. Smoke on the water. Well, that's caused by, I'm assuming this is the Otter Tail River out there. It's free of ice, and that water evaporates quick, making evaporation or steam fog, as it were. Temperatures rising and rising, and the heat is on, actually. By Friday, we're talking about 20 degrees above. Now, look at the low temperatures will be above 0 into the weekend. As temperatures rise to 30 for the big bison game, we cannot rule out a chance of snow. That chance looks better to the south. We start the work week off freezing with a chance of maybe the need to use the windshield wipers slapping out of tempo, because we could have some rain mixing with a little bit of that snow as we head out of our weekend and into next week.